Hi guys, welcome back to Math Field. In this video, we'll discuss about functions. So basically, a function is such that it's some kind of entity which takes input and gives output. So basically, whenever we give input, it performs. I mean, it has some set of instructions or some set of operations it does, and it gives output. This is a simple definition of function. Now let us see the first problem. So basically, if f of x equals to 3x plus 2, find f of 4. So you can see here, instead of x they gave 4. So we just have to replace 4 in the place of x. So 3 into x is 4 plus 2, which is 12 plus 2, which is 14. So f of 4 equals to 14. So this function 3x plus 2, what it does is that whenever we give input as 4, it produces output as 14. Input is 4, output is 14. This input has another name also, which is called as domain. Like what and all inputs which are valid, and output is called range. Like based on the domain given or input given, what are all the values or range possible, which we will discuss about domain and range in later videos. Now let us solve the next question. If f of x equals to minus 9x plus 5, find f of minus 1. So f of minus 1 equals to minus 9 into minus 1 plus 5. Minus 9 into minus 1, minus into minus is plus. 9 into 1 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. So f of minus 1 equals to 14. Now let us move to the next problem. If f of x equals to 0, find f of minus 1. Here you can see there is no x. So how do we replace x value with minus 1? We can't. So this implies that whatever the value of x, like f of 5, f of 6, f of 7, whatever the value of x, the output is always 0. So f of minus 1 is also 0. Now let's see next question. If f of x equals to minus 1, find f of minus 1. Can you answer this question? It's in same model as previous. So what does it mean? F of x equals to minus 1, which means whatever the value of x, output is minus 1. Here they're asking for f of minus 1. So answer is minus 1. Even if it is if they ask for f of 0, it is minus 1, and so on. Thank you.